Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the Ichimoku Colored Super Trend plus Colored DMI. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Ichimoku Colored Super Trend plus Colored DMI. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 22 different strategies with a total of 5 winners. We have also tested a total of 366 indicators with a total of 148 winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you can take any one of those 148 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, so today's indicator is the Ichimoku Colored Super Trend plus Colored DMI. And you can see it here on screen. And really what we're paying attention to is this box over here. And so we've tested, I think, a couple indicators that had similar boxes like this. And so basically what it's doing is it's a little kind of diagram or a indicator of what each of the parts of this indicator are doing. And so you can see here that the super trends, it will show when they are both bullish, when they are both bearish, and when they are kind of in consolidation. Same way with the DMI, and same way with the Ichimoku Cloud here, and then it even gives volume. And so really what we're looking for though is for the super trends, the DMI, and the Ichimoku to all line up either bearish or bullish. And so you see right here where they all say bearish, bearish, bearish. That's an example of when we would go short. When they all say bullish, 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 yeah, say that 4 times fast, that's when we will go long. And so that's the basic setup of what we're looking for. Let's go ahead and get on with this. This one will be a little bit slower because it's a little bit harder to tell when the indicator actually starts to switch its settings here. And so we'll continue on here. So we have bullish, bullish, but this one's still bearish. And so hoping to pick up an Ichimoku cloud on the bullish side there. But no, in the meantime, so we might have to clip back every now and then, just like this, and play it forward. So it goes trendless and transitioning right there. And then boom, we pick up a bearish, bearish, bearish. And so right here, we're going to go short on that one. Excuse me. And we'll go ahead and play this forward a little bit here. And that does get us to take profit rather nicely. So not too bad there. We'll go ahead and continue forward here. Again, we're keeping an eye on this one, and this one as we're making our way through here. So right there, we pick up a bearish, bearish, bearish again. So all three of them are in the bearish area territory there. Play it forward. Looks like that one is going to stop us out, unfortunately. Don't think we quite... Ooh, that was really close. We barely squeezed out the take profit here underneath on that long candle right there before we shot to the upside. So we're still looking good at the moment. Let's go ahead and continue forth here. So no complete lineup right now. Keep playing it forward here. We got to take this one slow because everything changes so fast. Hoping to get another one here. So trendless there. Got a few bullish in place. Nope. We lost it there. Continue forward. All right, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and cut out some of the video here. That way you don't have to painstakingly sit and watch me click one little candle at a time. And that way we cut some of the video out. So I will pick this up when we are closer to the end of the year. All right, we are at the end of the year. Now, before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon-only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. Once you sign up for that, it'll give you access to the Patreon-only channel, where we are posting some really great advanced information about trading, trading strategies, trading indicators, and philosophies. A lot of really good stuff in there. Our admin, Jay, has also put together a rather lengthy list of winning indicators for the MT platforms. And so if you use the MT platform quite a bit, that would be a handy list for you to have. Our admins and regular members are posting regular, almost everyday market analysis, trade analysis, where they're putting up screenshots of charts where they've marked out support and resistance and indicators, exactly where they are entering and exiting trades, taking profits. The whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information they're putting out for everyone to see. And lastly, a new thing that we've been doing is I've put together an Excel sheet of all the winning strategies that we have tested, and so you'll get that as well as the full list of winning indicators, which shows exactly which ones were winners, which ones were losers, and their win rates. Same thing with the Excel sheet, except it also includes the links to the videos, so that way you can go back and watch those winning strategy videos. So really great stuff for really cheap. Doesn't cost hardly anything at all. So let's zoom back here just a little bit, right about there, like that. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 different signals. So 6 trades all together there. And we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 winners. So that's going to meet the 60% criteria. Really low on trades, not a whole lot of trades. And so it definitely Wish it gave more trades than just 6. But for now, it's going to go on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.